If you look at the 379, no, hear me out.
I live in Florida, and I open carry all the time.
You a goddamn lie.
This guy is completely wrong.
We called it a bullshit.
You're only protected by the 790 laws, unless you can prove you're doing what you say you're doing. And
I do have a valid fishing license, and I'm clearly going fishing.
You can't be that dumb. I got a fishing pole in hand, and I was literally like a block away from water. Yeah. If that doesn't say I'm going to or returning from fishing, I don't know what does. But you're from Florida, and you sound like a moron.
and that you are who you say you are. You are committing a felony crime.
Alright, well, there's a lot to unpack with his last statement. He says it's a felony. Well, let's go into that. Open carry here in the state of Florida is a misdemeanor. So basically, if you are out open carrying and you're not fishing, it is a misdemeanor. So, once again, not a felony. Then he goes on to say, oh, you're supposed to give up your information. Well, this guy obviously doesn't know what the Constitution is. The Fourth Amendment says that I have the right to be secure in my personal property effects unless I've committed a crime. Keyword is crime. We go into 901.151 of the Florida statutes, which this guy has no clue about. So, 901.151, you have to have RAS, reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. If I am out openly carrying, going fishing, where is the crime? Hence, I don't have to give my information to the cop. You can be the bootlicker all you want. You are a goddamn liar. You say, I open carry in the state of Florida. I'm from Florida. Man, you ain't from Florida. You are an implant from Florida. You came from somewhere else other than Florida. Don't think you know the laws. You sound like a moron. But we're going to continue with your video. Let's go.
Giving these guys every right to stop you.
Leave me alone!
I do have a valid fishing license, and I'm clearly going fishing. Under 901.151, unless you suspect me of a crime, have committed a crime, or about to commit a crime.
So, what you're saying is I'm supposed to give them my ID for not breaking the law.
Simply give them your concealed carry or state ID and quote 790 laws, something this guy never did.